Choosing a new ASSA ABLOY garage door is easy. Just follow our 5 easy steps. Step 2. Choose the style that enhances your curb appeal. We realize that no matter your style or budget, you want a garage door that adds beauty to your home. You can choose from 3 distinctive styles of garage doors that enhance your home's curb appeal: traditional, carriage house, and contemporary. Traditional garage doors. Traditional garage doors offer traditional styling that coordinates with the architecture of most homes and stands the test of time. Classic designs come in short or long raised panels with a wide variety of colors to choose from. Carriage house garage doors. Carriage house doors replicate a look from years gone by. The garage doors look like they swing open, but these doors feature modern functionality and open up overhead. Contemporary garage doors. Contemporary garage doors feature a stunning combination of aluminum and glass, as well as smooth, flush doors to complement the simple, clean lines of a modern home. This sleek, modern styling is sure to add curb appeal while bringing more light inside. Choosing a new ASSA ABLOY garage door is easy. Just start with a visit to the ASSA ABLOY Garage Door Designer on our website.